Hey everybody, Harib here. In this video I'm going to complete my UI touch gesture controller to control the camera rotation and the player look. Previously on my previous video I was showing you how to add the full screen touch gesture controller to look around, and I did not apply that touch gesture controller to this player rig that I have, so I'm going to redo that thing. Here I have this virtual joystick look. This is the canvas, right? I'm going to open this starter assets folder, mobile, prefabs, virtual inputs, and the touch zone. As you remember, we can drag and drop it here. I will set its size to be full screen this way, and I reduce the alpha channel to 0, so it should be completely transparent. And I'm going to unpack this prefab, so I won't change the original prefab. And image handle, here I'm going to disable this image component. Image icon also I disable the component, and the output here I will set the magnitude to 50, and the output, I drag and drop this UI canvas starter assets input joystick, and I choose virtual look input, and that's all, it's done. Also I need to invert the Y output value, so the vertical rotation of the camera should be inverted in I like it to be inverted. And that's all for applying the touch gesture, how to add the virtual touch zone to control the look around of the player. And what I'm going to do in this video, I will adjust my main menu scene here. Little bit changes. I'm going to add little bit changes to this main menu to make it a bit better. Game title, play now, and I will add a new button here. This one I call it button play. This one will be button how to play. Alright, and I place it here. For the how to play, I will simply add a text instruction to the player, how to play. And that how to play instruction will be in this image element. I add this image element, full screen, and I set the color to be black. Maybe the opacity I reduce it a bit. Then I add this text, set it to the center of the screen, how to play. Set the color to white, can increase the font size, and here will be the text the main text of the how to play instruction. You need to find any required objects to enter some specific rooms or to unlock some doors. Just that's all, and I will increase the size of this text. You can type anything right here, so I will just let me add some another text. The main objective of this game is to survive this creepy land or what? This creepy really just something like that. But you need to find some required objects to enter some rooms or unlock some door or to unlock. Yes guys, whatever you type, just that is the way to do it in my way. And this image I will name it to how to play. Let me add more opacity here. And then do I have a script called main menu script? Let me check here. I don't have the main menu script, so this button play, let's use this button clicks as main menu script. So I'm going to edit this script to make it able to make it, yeah, hang on, let me just open the Visual Studio. Hang on a second, hold on, and here we go. I will add a public game object how to play, and at the beginning I'm going to hide the how to play game object, and then I will add a button. I will add a function public file show how to play. And here I will do the same thing here. This one will be true, and the other one will be hide how to play. I can simply use this function here. Okay, and I go back to main menu, compiler is always busy. Come on, man. Every time you make some little changes to your script, you need to wait the compiler to run. And here, what is the button click? It is here. And how to play will be this object. You can disable or enable this object, doesn't matter. And let me run this game. Yeah, I forgot to add a button to close the how to play instruction, how to play screen. Always busy. Okay, if I click this how to play button, I will... What? I forgot to set the on click listener to the how to play button. Sorry guys. Button click and show how to play, and then here let me add a button to close this how to play screen UI button, and this button should be without text, and I set the image element, image component of this how to play to be this close button or icon. Let's say this one, and I set its position to be the bottom left, or maybe I can change it to the arrow icon this way. I need to resize it this way. Pivot, set it to 0 and 1. Okay. 0 and 0. Okay, here I will set it to 20. And this button will be close how to play. We will use this button to close the how to play screen. No, this screen. Button clicks, hide how to play. Okay, we can try to play the game. How to play, close, how to play, close, play now. Okay, that's all guys. If you see here, I can try to use this touch zone gesture controller. I don't know what do you call it. This full screen touch zone, I can click it with my mouse and drag it to look around. So it's nice, but somehow it is so fast here in this Unity editor, just like this one. It rotates so fast, but if you try it on your mobile device, I think it will be normal, not this fast. Okay, that's all for this video guys. Oh yeah, after adding this touch gesture or touch zone to control the look around, we can just disable this joystick. So let me just do it. Prefabs, pleasure wake, and virtual joystick look. I will just hide this object and try to play the game again. how to play, close it, play now. You can look around by touch and drag, or yeah, touch and drag the finger to rotate around, to look around. That's all for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm sorry if you got bored because my English is not that good, because I'm not native English speaker. I'm Indonesian, guys. And this video is just sharing with you. I'm trying to share my work with you, so maybe somebody will get help with this video. I will be very happy. That's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.